A lot of people have been saying that they're trying to get the Facebook Meta image prompt to make images with themselves. I'm going to show you real quick how I do it. So this is my own messenger where I message myself stuff so I won't forget. Here's what you do. You hit the plus. Let's circle this right here. Plus sign right here. And then you hit AI images. AI image come up in the messenger. Once you put me, it will have you set up the feature. Now, it scans your face, and then you can also add up to 3 photos. So you type me in just anything you can think of. Me in a pickup truck, right? Something short to trigger it. Now mine's is already set up, so it's not going to trigger it, but I guarantee yours will trigger it. And it will say, if you want to put pictures of yourself, you have to scan your face. A picture of me in a pickup truck. You know, the top of the pickup truck is missing. There are some glitches to it, but what is so miraculous about this is you can edit in real time. Watch this. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. You got to tap on your photo. Click this, say add red pickup truck. And boom. So me, let's see, in a headshot. A lot of people like to do these for LinkedIn, for work, and see what it comes up with. And it literally takes 2 seconds, guys. I don't have to face swap. I don't have to, like, look at this. Beautiful. And look, it even added glasses on here because it knows that I wear glasses. When you upload those 3 pictures, at least one of them, like if you wear glasses, at least one of them with glasses on, because then the AI knows, okay, she's keen to glasses. She's okay with having glasses. Now, if you wanted to take it another step further, at a office party, dressed in a fancy blue cocktail dress by Chloe. I don't know. I'm just throwing a random designer out there. I don't know. Let's see what happens. Guys, I could play with this thing all day. Me and my son were sitting up there putting him in, like, on donuts. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at this. I'm surrounded by my work peers that are actually not my work peers. And then once you find one that you like, you just thumbs it up. Good results. And it will take note. You have to be giving it feedback, because once you give it feedback, the more that the future images you generate will be accurate. And then if you don't like this, I'm going to show you right here. Right here is the retry or rerun button. So watch this. I'm going to hit the rerun button. And it does a new version of that photo. Now, I'm going to let you know right now, some of these images do not look like me. Like, I mean, it looks like a version of me where some of my features have been altered. And if I don't like that, I can put, give it feedback. I can put thumbs down, and it's going to ask me why. And I would say it's not visually appealing because that doesn't look like me. And then it will stop putting that face up. It will make sure to only put the faces that I confirm looks like me. So it's basically learning how you look as you use it, which is why if you like doing it, it's like important to use it a lot so it can you can train it to know your face. And of course, I can hit the rerun button because I don't like that face right there, and it's going to do another one. Let's see what happens. It's got a little bit of variation. It's different. So guys, it really depends on the pictures you upload. It really depends on the angle and the You want to have natural lighting when it scans your face. Make sure it really knows your face, okay? And I can even go in here and put myself in a completely, a crazy situation, okay? So let's see. Let's do me in a gladiator stadium fighting a lion. Again, I'm shortening the prompts for time's sake, but watch this. 2 to 3 seconds and you're in an image. Look at this. Like, come on. That looks spot on like me. This is unbelievable. It's an unbelievable feature. I don't know why they haven't rolled it out on the metaai.com yet. But your girl is gonna buy it. Like, what is this? I'm pretty sure it's not gonna stay free. But right now, I'm accumulating as many pictures as I want a day with this. And, it's working out well. Okay? And I have to, these are hilarious. So, of course, I have to grab one and send it to somebody. I'm gonna save this. And I'm gonna tell it that it did a good job with my likeness. Good result. Good result. Good result. Oh, poor tiger. Lion. I would never kill a lion, by the way. And yeah, that's pretty much how it works, guys. So I hope you have fun playing with this. And yeah, just let me know. Hit me up and say, I had so much fun playing with this. Thank you for letting me know how to use it.